Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat siang. Saya Siti Mujiatun, SPD di NPD, dosen pendidikan bahasa dan sastra Indonesia di Fakultas Keguruan dan Ilmu Pendidikan Universitas Trunojoyo Madura yang diamanai mengampu mata kuliah bahasa Inggris sebanyak 2 SKS di Pendidikan Bahasa dan Sastra Indonesia. Adapun deskripsi mata kuliah dari bahasa Inggris ini adalah menitikberatkan pada pengembangan kemampuan mahasiswa untuk mengungkapkan ide secara baik dan benar, baik secara lisan maupun tulisan di dalam bahasa Inggris. Hal ini dituangkan dalam 4 skill atau elemen yang ada dalam pembelajaran bahasa. Yang pertama yaitu elemen listening atau menyimak, yang kedua yaitu reading, yang ketiga speaking, dan yang keempat adalah writing. Dalam 4 elemen ini kemudian dituangkan dalam 4 aktivitas, yaitu listening activity, reading activity, speaking activity, dan writing activity. Di dalam pembelajaran mata kuliah bahasa Inggris ini, mata kuliah ini membahas tentang bahasa Inggris secara umum yang kemudian diarahkan dalam penggunaan diksi atau pilihan kata, kalimat efektif, dan pengembangan paragraf di dalam kegiatan menulisnya, serta pemahaman serta analisis bacaan dalam kegiatan readingnya, penyimakan dalam teks audio ataupun visual dalam kegiatan listening, serta kelancaran berbicara dalam kegiatan speaking. Jadi dalam 4 elemen ini semuanya akan terangkum dalam keadaan pembahasan dasar ataupun umum. Pada hari ini saya akan menjelaskan tentang kegiatan reading activity, pertemuan pertama dalam kegiatan reading activity ini, yang kemudian akan dilakukan dengan metode diskusi dengan pendekatan student center learning dan menggunakan model CTL. Adapun materi dalam kegiatan reading tersebut di sini tentang reading secara keseluruhan dengan menggunakan teks, dan juga tentang materi strategi of reading. Kemudian setelah digunakannya CTL dalam kegiatan ini, maka kegiatan akan dilakukan sesuai sintak yang ada dalam CTL dan diberikan evaluasi sesuai dengan evaluasi yang ada pada sintak tersebut. Adapun video dari pembelajaran akan saya tayangkan setelah ini.
Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon. Okay, all of you are happy today? Yes. How can you express your face in happy? Okay, smile. Can you express it? Express your face for smiling. Yes, okay, smiling, okay. Okay, thank you. And today we will go to our reading activity. But before we go to our material, so let's start for praying together. Okay, finish, thank you. And then for reading activity, here I will give you about reading strategy in making inference and summarizing. And then next, for the goals for this material is to be good in reading. It means that when you get your strategy in reading, you will good in reading activity. And then the second is to be easier in getting information, because reading will get some of information, so you will be easier in getting the information at all. Okay, next, I want you to observe. Observe. Do you know observe? Yes, making observation for this class. And then see everything in this class. See everything in this class. See everything. Everything. You can see everything here. And then now, what have you found? Hear me. What have you found? Here, there are, here, what is it? Projector, and then what is it? Vira, what is it? Smartboard, okay. And then you, what is it? Chair, okay. And then what is it? Laptop, okay. And then here you have observed for your class today. And then now I will continue to the material, reading. Reading means that cognitive process. Here is cognitive process. And then decode symbols to arrive at meaning. It is reading activity. So cognitive process in decode symbols. When you get your reading, means that you decode some of symbols in writing. Is it right? Yes? Okay. And then next, I will continue here for reading. Reading is the act of interpreting writer symbols and understanding the meaning of the text. Understanding the meaning of the text, not the translation. It means the meaning. What they said and then what they mean. Is it clear? Is it clear? Yes, okay. And then what will we do in reading? Okay, come on. What will we do in reading?
Number 1, detailed information. Number 2, inference. Number
Okay.
3, mind idea.
Okay.
Number 4, purpose. Number 5, text structure.
Okay.
6, vocabulary. 7, reference. 8, conclusion.
Okay, thank you, Mas Silmi. Okay, Mas Silmi is in this smart board. Okay, thank you. And then this is, these are for everything we do in reading. And then for the strategies, I have 5 strategies here. This is for the strategies. The first is previewing, and then the second is predicting. The third is skimming and scanning, and then the fourth is guessing from the context, and then the fifth is paraphrasing. These are for strategies in reading. Yeah. And then after this, I will make you in a group. In groups, I mean. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 means that 13. I will divide in 4 groups. So you can count from now. 1. 1. Okay, and then 1 you can go with the 1, and then 2 with 2, and then etc. Come on, you can making a group. Okay, come on. Okay, come on. And then this is for the first group. Yes, and then where is the second? Second, and then the third. Okay, and then the fourth. Okay, thank you. After this, I will give you text. I will give you text in reading, I mean. So after that, you can use these strategies in your reading text and find some of information in your text. Now, I will give you the text. Sorry. This is for the text, and then first group. and then the second group, and then the third, and then the fourth. Okay. Please stay on your reading activity. Here I will show you the text and you can also read in your text. I have text here. Okay, I will end the show. Come on. Nah, this is for the text. It's same with your text in your paper. It means that this text is also in your paper. So you can read at your paper or you can read here. And then after this, I will give you some instructions for getting the information and I will ask everything about the information from the text. Okay, now you can choose one strategy. You can choose one strategy in getting your reading text and then you can discuss with your group what kind of strategy and then you can read by using your strategy that you choose. Is it clear? Yes, okay. Understand? Catch up? Yes, okay. Okay, you can do it now. I will give you 10 minutes in discussing. Come on, you can discuss with your friends, you can discuss with your group for getting some of information that I asked for the text. Okay. Come on. Is there any problem? No, okay. Okay, for group, is there any problem? No? Okay. And then you, fourth group? Oh, sorry, the third group. Okay, okay, third. Okay, come on. Any problem? No, I mean your problem in reading. Okay. And then after this, I will ask you what strategy that you choose. Come on. Choose the strategy, the easiest strategy you think. Do you get the information? Yes? Okay, I will ask you after this. Do you get the information?
Yes.
Yes, okay. And then you? Yes. And then this group, you get the information? Okay. Continue with your activity and after this, I will ask you about the information. Okay, discuss with your group, please. Discuss. Making an active discussion. Okay. You can write on your paper and I will ask you after this. If you have any questions, so you can ask for me. Finish? Okay. All of you are finished? Finish. Okay. If you have finished, so prepare for yourself for getting my questions. I will ask some of information from this reading text. Okay, the first question. What is the text tells about? What is? Okay, tell me.
Our condition education in Indonesia.
Our education condition
In Indonesia.
condition education in Indonesia. Okay, okay, good, okay. And then another maybe? What is the information? All of information? The main idea for this reading text? Sorry? Okay, the situation or the condition of Indonesian now. Okay. And then another maybe? Is there any other information?
Means
Okay.
Indonesia have many problem.
Indonesian have many problem in what?
High cost education.
No. I mean that the problem in
Condition.
no, the problem in our education. Right. Okay. Yes. It means that Mahardika is nervous.
Yes.
Okay. Next, if Indonesian have some problems or the condition have some problems in education, so I want to ask you what the problem of our education today? Okay, high cost education, and then? Okay, and then? Uneven distribution. Okay, there are three of problems in Indonesian education now. The first is about high cost education, means some of students here didn't pay the education cost. And then the second is infrastructure. So it means that the infrastructure okay, still not in comfort. Okay, and then the third is uneven distribution, means that in every region there are so many education place, or maybe we say that institusi, and then in one place or region there is no. It is uneven distribution of education. Okay, there are three, and then from that three, have you got your solution? Any other solution? Do you have any solution for this our problem? Do you have any solution, guys? Solution? Come on. Do you have a solution for our education today? Because of the three problems, so I have a solution. It means that I will be a education ministry. Maybe? Do you understand what it education ministry? Menteri Pendidikan. I will be an education ministry. Saya maunya di Ministry of Education, means that Menteri Pendidikan. So I will solve every problems in Indonesian. Is it right? Will you? Do you want? Yes, okay, bagus, want to be a education ministry in Indonesia. Okay, pray the best for you, bagus. Okay, and then today our reading activity is finished. So I want you to make conclusion for our activity today. Who want? One conclusion of our activity today. What have we learned?
We have
Okay.
learn about reading strategy.
Reading strategy. So we have some of reading strategy. Is it right? Yes? Okay, so how many strategies that we have? 5, okay. 5 strategies. What are they? Reviewing, and then predicting, scanning, skimming, Quoting? Paraphrasing. All of you are good. Give applause for you. Okay. And then after that, I want to ask you, what have you choose for your strategies? You choose in your reading activity? Yes. What have you choose? Scanning, and then paraphrasing, and then paraphrasing, skimming and scanning. So there are two strategy that you have choose in this class. So it means that next week or next activity you can choose another strategies, so you can have some of strategies in reading and become a good reader. Okay, and then reading. How many activities in reading? What will we do in our reading activity? Okay, tell me.
Number one, detail in information.
Okay.
Two, inference.
Okay.
Number three, main idea.
Okay.
Number four, purpose.
Okay.
Number five, text structure.
Yes.
Six, vocabulary.
Vocabulary.
Seven, reference.
Reference.
Eight, conclusion.
Conclusion. And then from 7 activity in reading, what have you done? What have you done? It means that you have done with your activity, right? Yes. You have find some of informations. You have found some of information. I have asked you about some of information and you have answered. Is it right? Yes. So what is the activity from the 7? Yes, reading activity means there are 7 activities in our reading. Is it right? Just Ilmi said 7 activities in reading. So it means that you have done about your activities in reading. Yes? Yes, okay. What activities from the 7 have you done? Come on. From the 7 activities, what activities that you have done? Come on, please. Getting some of information means that conclusion. It means that one activity you have done in this class. It means that we have our conclusion in reading text. Okay, it's about Indonesian education now. Okay, okay. Before I close the class, so I want you ask some questions. Is there any question, guys? No? So it means that it is clear. Okay. Okay. Next meeting means that in next week we will go to our assignment in reading activity. Assignment means you can read by some of strategies in reading, and then you can use maybe 2 or 3 strategies in reading, and then you can try at all, and you can be a good reader, I think. So because the goals of our study today is to be a good reading and then to get some of information easier. Is it enough, guys? Enough. Okay, if it is enough for today, we will see you again in the next meeting with any other reading activity, and then see you, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.